Today we're going to make a gluten-free coffee cake that is great for special occasions or that potluck brunch. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease an 8 by 8 inch glass baking dish. Combine 1.5 cups of the flour, 1/2 cup of the brown sugar, baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice in a large bowl, and then you're going to whisk to combine. Next, you're going to add the egg, milk, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and the vanilla. And you're going to whisk until blended. And it's going to be a pretty thick batter. So if it sticks a little bit, you'll have to scoop it out and it'll still turn out great. Smooth out the batter and then begin making the topping. You're going to need 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to get a crumbly mixture that you're going to spread over the top. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes, let cool completely, and then serve.